熊大金，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双节棍，呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼，不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。
天，我们就要去捉鸡了！
小鸡们，你们可要小心啦！
我们是小鸡，不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
看谁敢！
打！我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快快快，演出开始啦！快点快点！
Dig deeper, eager beaver! Deeper!
Right away, Slim!
What we weasels want above all things is chicken. May Lady Luck be on our side today and we catch a chicken!
Huh? Someone's digging over there. Oh, I bet they're digging for some yummy food. Let me check it out. Hey there, digging man. What are you digging for? Huh?
Uncle Wattles!
Oh, no, Slim and Glutton! Let me go! Let me go!
We hit the jackpot today, catching Uncle Wattles with no trap at all! Grab hold!
Looks like we didn't need to dig the hole after
You
all.
moron! If we didn't dig the hole, Uncle Wattles wouldn't have come at all! Think about that!
So that's how it is, huh? Wow, Slim, you're the smartest weasel in the entire world!
Now prepare to have your first taste of chicken! Yeah! Oh,
Hey,
hey,
Slim, what's going on? Is it an earthquake?
I have no idea!
Where am I? Oh, it's really dark in here.
You're on our dinner table, Uncle Wattles! Where are you?
I'm over here. What's going on, Slim? It's so dark down here.
It's not that dark! Come on and help me with Uncle Wattles!
Who turned off the lights? Hey, wait for me, Slim. Oh, how can I escape? Oh, how can I escape if I
Hey,
can't?
whoa! Stop right here!
Oh, no! Ah!
Huh? Uncle Wattles is over there! You can't get away from us, old Wattles!
Wait up, Slim.
Stop running, Uncle Wattles! You ain't going nowhere but in my butt! You've come to a dead end! Give it up, Mr. Wattles!
Leave me alone. Oh.
I got Uncle Wattles!
I got a hold of him, too.
Yeah, Uncle Wattles is fighting back!
Stop resisting, Waddles.
Ayo! How dare you hit me on the face! I want to make some shoes out of you!
You know how to fight, Waddles.
Hey, you asked for it, you omelet fist! I told you you'd be good as my dinner!
Huh? I asked for what? I don't know what you mean. Oh, the light's dazzlingly bright. Huh? What's this? Oh, they're so beautiful. They must be delicious. Let me try. Oh, disgusting. They're too hard.
Wow! It's shimmering! It must be a diamond! Yeah! Oh!
Hey, Slim, that old Waddles just gave me the beating of a lifetime.
Huh? It was you? Shame on you! You're good for nothing!
I'm sorry, it's my fault.
Quick! Uncle Wattles is running away! Get up, you moron! Hurry up!
Okay, coming. Oh, I can't can't keep this up for much longer. Oh,
Stop right there! Uncle Wattles, I'm gonna
Oh,
get
the
you!
weasels are here!
I'm tired.
Yeah! Stop running away! Oh, Glutton! Glutton, get over here! What do you think you're doing?
I'm too tired to run.
I didn't expect Uncle Wattles to be such a good runner.
Huh?
I gotta find a way to stop him. But how? I've gotta figure out a way. That's right. I gotta use stones. We can use stones to knock him out. What do you say, Glutton?
Good idea.
Oh, yeah. Watch this. Oh, yeah, I got him.
All right, we got him. Huh? We got him this time. I got him.
What are you talking about, Glutton? I got him, not you.
Yeah, right. I got him.
Oh, that really hurt.
It was me.
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 It was me.
Wow! These stones are really hard and sharp. They'd make good projectiles.
Stop it, you fool! Come on, let's go get him, Glutton.
Right. Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
Huh.
I'm gonna fight you back now. Let me show you what Uncle Wattles is really made out of.
I didn't know those things packed such a punch.
Huh?
No.
Oh, come on, let's get out of here!
Hey, Slim.
Damn it, Glutton! How does it feel to be the chasee now, Slim and Glutton?
How dare you, Uncle Wattles? Playing tricks on us weasels? That's just not fair, is it?
Hey, Slim, what are you looking for?
Since Uncle Wattles could use those stones as bullets, we could find bigger stones to make a cannon. Come on, Glutton. Go and find a bigger one, would you?
Okay. Let's see, where is the big one here? Hey, Slim, I got one. It's huge over here. I'm gonna go get it.
What a buffoon! Can't you do anything right? Here, come on, pull! Come on, pull!
Oh no! The cave is collapsing! Help! Huh? A card?
Huh?
Hey, Slim, Uncle Wattles getting away.
A cart? We've got a cart just right here. Come on, jump in. Let's catch him.
Right.
Yeah. Hey, hey.
He's not getting away this time.
He's not going nowhere. Come on, we're catching up. Oh, wow, that was close.
Hey, Slim, I'm gonna car and moving.
Come on, push harder. Uncle Wattles is getting away. Oh, come on, Glutton. What do you think we're doing? Let's catch up with him.
Oh, my dearest cart! I know this is the first time that we're meeting, but I really am counting on you to get me out of here. I need you, please. Oh.
Give it up, Uncle Wattles!
That's right, you can't get away. Huh?
Oh, stay calm, Uncle Wattles. You're the master of the flying egg fist. No one can match you. And with this card's help, you'll definitely find a way out of here. It's time to take it to the next level. Wow, that was easy. Haha. But then again, Uncle Wattles was on the case, so you know.
It doesn't work! How come this always happens to me? How?
If only these rocks were so heavy.
Ouch!
You all right there, Slim?
I'm not okay! We're stuck in here, and it's all because of those pesky stones!
Hey, Slim, we're still stuck in the same place.
You don't have to tell me! Ouch!
What are we gonna do now, Slim?
I'm all out of ideas. Uncle Wattles, I'm not done with you yet!
I've gotta stop making the same mistakes over and over.